Hello, today I'm going to show you this awesome product here because this is good for the nature and your pocket. This is Fuel Factor X. It's an advanced fuel treatment for your car and your truck too. It reduces emissions, it enhances performance, and it improves the fuel economy and prolongs the engine life. That sounds great. Or good for our engine and the planet too. And it's really easy. Go to the gas station and then open everything. Be prepared to refuel your car. Then take the Fuel Factor X. Yeah, you can see it's possible to get this in 4 ounce bottles or in a quarter ounce full packs like shown here. Then this is enough for the entire refuel action, and my tank is about 40 or 45 a liter. That means one of these is enough for this. Of course, it's more than enough. Okay, you dip this into the nozzle of the pistol here, and then we dip it into our tank, and then we can refuel our engine easily, or not our engine, our tank of our car. Then you can use it with diesel and with standard fuel. That's awesome. This is an all-in-one solution. The FFX is a comprehensive fuel treatment. Other products may have one or two of these components, but none have all of them. But the Fuel Factor X does have this. Prolongs the engine life and reduces wear. The FFX uses a combination of ingredients that works together to keep our engine clean and running smoother. And it increases the fuel economy. It reduces the fuel consumption, resulting in increased miles per gallon. And it reduces harmful emissions and pollutants. That means reducing harmful pollutants from the exhaust pipe helps result in a cleaner environment. And this sounds really nice. And it improves the vehicle performance and horsepower too. So you have more power. You have more strength out of your car, if you like. And at the same time, it reduces the emissions, enhances the performance, improves the fuel economy, and prolongs the engine lives. And it's good for the nature. That's all nice, or isn't it? It burns more of the available British thermal units, BTUs, in the fuel, resulting in better performance. We use FFX with every fill-up. We save for all combustion engines and fuel oils, gas, or diesel. You see, you can enter or dip this Fuel Factor X in nearly every tank out there. In diesel engines, in big cars, in small cars, in boats, and I think everything what has an engine. The unique FFX formula contains multiple ingredients, each designed for a specific purpose. It's like superfood for our engine. A catalyst that ignites fuel at a lower temperature, providing a longer, more complete burn of the fuel. This causes the fuel to be used more effectively, providing improved fuel economy and less wasted fuel out through the exhaust, which reduces the emission. The organometallic compound burns more of the available BTUs of the fuel, reduces the friction from the pistons, pump, and injectors, which would ultimately wear down the engine, therefore prolonging the engine works life. Whoa. And it cleans and maintains the injectors as well as the rest of the fuel system, so the engine works as efficiently as possible again. It reduces the solid that form in the fuel tank and keeps the engine clean, prolonging the life of all engine parts. All engine parts. awesome. And it removes and prevents rust in the food system, it keeping it running effectively. It helps separate water from fuel. A single drop of the water can cause an injector to fail and damage the entire engine. And we have a fuel stabilizer here. The stabilizes fuel to keep it from breaking down or deteriorating and gives fuel a longer shelf life. You can use a quarter oars to thread up to 20 gallons. We double dose our first 2 up to 3 treatments, and we use FFX every time we fill up. And it is not really expensive because it can save you up to 25% of fuel consumption. This is awesome. It reduces emissions, prolongs engine life, enhances the performance, and improves the fuel economy. This is cool. And this is Fuel Factor X, advanced fuel treatment for nearly all engine out there. Bicycles, cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles. I think every engine which need fuel, you can use Fuel Factor X, except electronic engine, okay? It's not for your electronic car, but for your other cars out there, it is possible to use. This is the Fuel Factor X, and it looks really awesome, and it's really easy to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon!